can't be fucked with, no. Ho, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, my money thick, thick, ayy. Walk with a limp, I'm on some pimp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if it's the first time here, just hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Like, why wouldn't you want to subscribe to me? I'm late. But anyways guys, today I will be doing a hair transformation video. Yay, video. So you see me looking all crusty, dusty and musty. So make sure you guys like this video, comment down below and tell me if you guys would like to see, you know, the full detail of all my install, my wig and everything. Oh, and guys, my ring like slapped me on my face, like right here's a crop. So I don't know if I can see it, but I can see it. And the next disclaimer guys, I was trying to give you guys a perfect angle to let you guys see what I'm doing, but I could not. So my mirror is right here, so majority of the time I'll be looking right here. Okay, so please forgive me. And I'm not gonna do no makeup. I'm not saying I'm index you know, the makeup thing yet. So you know, when I turn on look pro, I'm gonna start doing my thing on camera. So yeah guys, just continue watching guys, and remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Love you guys. So now guys, I'm just taking my hair out this ponytail and I put it in. My hair is dry, as you guys can see, because I went to the river and I didn't wash it. How lazy me. So damn lazy. I didn't know we are gonna put a light on tomorrow. Me have to go wash my hair. I tell about myself, you know. Oh, and guys, I'll be doing a egg treatment for my hair, so let me know if I should do a video on that for you guys. It's basically for dry hair, it's split ends. So let me know if you guys want to see that, because I'll really record it to let you guys see. Okay, I'm going to Grwm my hair, but I'm going to do it off camera because everybody don't feel them here, right? So yeah, I'll come back to you guys soon. Okay, so I'm finished. Yeah, I finished curing my hair and thing. Now I'm gonna put on Wigglisa. I don't know what to call her, but yeah, this is the wig. I'm actually that bleach it and then this just come out white, and I'm about to paint my mind. See me? Those are the leaves are the problem. So anyways now, got to be gel to be exact, and my edge comb brush. So now I'm going to apply it to my edges because I'm not doing the stocking cap method nor the ball cap. Well, I'm a random, I reload you. Me gonna fix this up. So guys, I went ahead and just like tied down a little bit. After I fix it, just tie it down so I can have that lay look. I don't know what I will be doing to it, if I want to give it baby hair or I want it to just lay down flat, and then I don't know what I'm gonna do to it, but stay tuned and you guys will see. It actually have a little puffy, like, you know them 90s there, so look, you know. It's so soft though. That's one thing I like about this hair. So I went ahead and put on some lash. So them lash now, but I have them cooking or whatever. But I'm just going to let this dry and then I'll get back to you guys. Now guys, I'm going to take this off. So right here guys, my lace was showing, so what I did, I just went in and I cut it down so it looked like skin. So yeah, I'm not a professional at this, but you know, you have to try and do stuff. So yeah. So guys, this is the end of my video. Guys, oh, I can't even feel myself, but man, I feel myself, you know, at the liquor. But anyways guys, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and let me know guys if you want to see more of them video here, like beauty and whatever. I'll get into makeup soon with you guys. So bye.